Межзвездное пространство.
interstellar space,
Холодные облака.
cold clouds. If the temperature rise of the universe happen in the clouds of gas compression, and a new star is born on the planet, probably because there was sun and a earth. Perhaps the biggest achievement of the last 20 years lies in the fact that we have learned mass is massively open planets around other stars. Now they are. I'm even afraid to make a mistake, because the number is growing rapidly. For more than 600 planets discovered, in some of them managed to measure chemical composition of the atmospheres, and the realization that there is even water and some other biomarkers. The universe is open for communication. Its radiation is useful information for all mankind, and space telescopes like the translators, complex language of the galaxy. Radio Astron already makes its first orbital dictionary. Soon he will go to help the other spectra of spectrum, X-gamma and ultraviolet spectrum. Today we dream about the time when we know about the environment of our universe almost all. Project that we are now preparing, together with the Russian Federal Space Agency. This project is called the Spectrum X-gamma. On this satellite will be unique devices, for example, who can see all the clusters of galaxies. That's just down to the last. Radio, X-ray, gamma, ultraviolet, telescoped in the name of the main function. See and accept the radiation of celestial bodies, each in his own band reception, to look into deep space needed to better understand ourselves. Turns out to people in many ways similar to the stars. Astrophysics has given insight that all we are the children of the galaxy, or should I say stars. All heavy chemical elements, heavier than helium and hydrogen, of which we are made up to you. The same oxygen, calcium and so on. All born in the stars. In the ultraviolet range of long-running American Optical Telescope Hubble. However, it does not cope with the load. Number of scientific applications for space studies 10 times faster than the telescope. In the 2015 World Space Observatory Ultraviolet go into orbit and will take on a number of scientific problems. UV research. This is done under the direction of the telescope, and the main contribution on the part of Russia. Therefore, the Russian scientific and technical community, this telescope will be much more accessible than the Hubble telescope. It is actually a national project. Diameter of the telescope's main mirror 1700 mm. It allows to collect a large luminous flux, even from a very weak magnitude, and get the image, those parts of the universe which, in this range, are practically invisible from the ground. On the test bench, Lavochkin Association ultraviolet spectrum looks exactly as it is in space. Recently, the telescope has been successfully tested on all types of loads that will arise before the launch, during launch, and at the time of the launch. At the final stage of assembly, ultraviolet spectrum on the same platform now flies Radio Astron. All three projects are built on common core platform. Is a platform navigator, which of course is adapted in each case under its payload. Astrophysicists believe that in the ultraviolet range, focus is the richest of universe. Just so you can see all its colors, and as long as the distance to the stars excludes travel. Humanity cannot do without space telescopes. They get to help answer the eternal question: how did the Earth and man on Earth